here are some of the stocks in focus for the day. We have OMCs such as HPCL, BPCL as well as IOC, along with other tire, paint and aviation stocks in a positive light today. This is because Scott Bessent, US Secretary of State, has said that to enable oil to keep flowing into the global market, the Treasury Department is issuing a temporary 30-day waiver to allow Indian refiners to purchase Russian oil. Next up, we have Petronet LNG as well as GAIL in a negative light. Actually, they've declared force majeure to its off-takers such as GAIL, IOCL and BPCL after receiving a similar notice from its supplier Qatar Energy, with the total financial impact still unknown. Furthermore, we have MRPL in a positive note, officially denied reports claiming it's halted fuel exports due to the Iran conflict, clarifying that it has not declared any force majeure. Next up, we have Time Technoplast in a positive note again. They've issued a business continuity update confirming that despite a 20% surge in polymer prices as well as the US-Iran conflict and tensions in the Middle East, its global operations, including those in the MENA region, remain normal. We also have Mazagon Dock in a positive note. It has confirmed that negotiations for the 99,000 crores P75-1 submarine project are complete and the proposal is now awaiting government approval. Next up, we have Garden Reach. They've signed an MOU with Kalyani Strategic to co-develop advanced indigenous maritime solutions, focusing on unmanned platforms as well as strategic naval solutions. We also have MOIL in a positive news. They've announced a 2% price increase for most manganese ore grades, ferro as well as chemicals, while significantly reducing their electrolyte manganese dioxide by 10,000 rupees per ton. Next up, we have DCX Systems in a positive note as well. They've secured an order worth 68 crores from HAL for the manufacturing and supply of custom-made antennas and power supplies for airborne applications.
All right, moving on then, let's get you all the stocks that will be in focus from Rabinder. Rabinder is standing by with the set of stocks. Karan is standing by with all the other stocks that will be in focus. Karan, take it away.
Well, starting off with DCX Systems, the company has secured an order worth 68 crores from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the manufacture and supply of custom-made antennas and power supplies for airborne applications. Remember, this company's order book stands around 3,000 crores and the company has recently announced the expansion of its manufacturing capacity with the addition of oversized PCB assembly capacity. So do watch out for that. Next is Titagarh Rail. Its Italian entity has sold a business unit to another Italian entity for a consideration of 66 million euros, which translates to around 600 crore rupees. Next is Dr. Reddys Laboratories. The company has received the US FDA EIR for its formulations manufacturing facility in Andhra Pradesh, closing the inspection with a positive outcome. Followed by quarterly earnings from Fractal Analytics, the company has reported a good set of numbers with the EBIT margin expanding by more than 292 basis points and PAT recording a growth of around 200%. Next is Samhi Hotels. The company has announced the acquisition of a 70% partnership interest in Rare India, an aggregator of luxury conscious living hotels, for 47 crores. Remember, this hotel chain operates around 31 to 32 operational hotels and over 4,800 to 5,000 keys across 13 to 14 cities. Next up is Lemon Tree Hotels. The company has signed a license agreement for a new 49-room property in Himachal Pradesh, marking its 10th hotel in the state as a part of its strategic expansion into the North Indian leisure destinations. Remember, Lemon Tree Hotels is India's largest mid-priced hotel chain, operating more than 100 hotels with 9,700 plus rooms across 60 cities. Next is Zaggle Prepaid. The company has entered into a strategic 3-year agreement with Blue Star Limited to implement its specialized Zaggle Safe platform. And lastly, we have GK Energy. The Maharashtra State GST Department has concluded its 6-day search at its registered office on 4th March, alleging certain ITC violations to the tune of 7 crores, which the company intends to contest legally.
Karan, thanks so much for joining us with all those details. So that's a list of the entire stocks and news that you need to keep on your radar this morning. On that note, we need to slip into a very short break. More news and updates will follow.